So guys, as you can see now everything is changed. I have changed the name of the channel and video language is not Hindi anymore. It's English. Also I didn't set the location to India, so I guess this video will be shown to the international audience too. If you are from India, that is Bharat, then namaste. If you are from another country, then please mention the name of your country in the comment section. Now this channel is not limited to just underrated movie reviews. Here I will express my views on different topics related to filmmaking. Also I will try to talk about the great personalities of the world cinema. So without any delay, let's get cinematic. You already know about many American, Japanese, Korean flicks that are too disturbing to watch. Not because of the spine-chilling thrill, but due to the scenes that are disgusting. For example, Evil Dead, Salò, Pink, Flamingo, and many more. These scenes are not only horrifying, but also disgusting. Some scenes are not just yucky, they are ewesome. Ewesome. Is it a word? There are many gripping flicks that are guilty of the same. They are not bad, but they contain some scenes that are hard to watch, not because of fear, but because of that ew factor associated to them. So you often don't expect such things in Indian movies. Let it be a Bollywood flick, let it be a regional gem. You don't find anything that induces vomit. But what if I tell you there are some Indian films that are hard to watch while eating something? So here's the list of such Indian movies. Trust me, you are going to find the name of one great South Indian filmmaker who is one of my favorites, and the strange thing is that his name will come more than once. Number 6. Pipli Live. It's a Hindi satirical comedy directed by Anusha Rizvi. The film is about a farmer named Natha facing poverty. Due to his financial condition, he decides to unalive himself to get money, or you can say compensation from the government. Soon his commitment of unaliving himself becomes national news. Although I didn't like the film, I watched it. There's a scene in which Natha goes to defecate. Nothing is shown directly to the viewers, but when the media persons start talking about the solid waste excreted by Natha, who goes missing, as if the waste was a scientific evidence of Natha's mental state, then it becomes disgusting. Number 5. Delhi Belly. It's a Hindi black comedy directed by Abhinay Dev. It's a tale of 3 friends who get trapped in a dangerous web of crime. They get out of trouble in a hilarious way with a little bit of luck, stupidity, and comedy. One of the 3 friends is suffering from stomach problem. Doctor recommends stool test, so he keeps the sample in a box that's misplaced. As a result, another friend takes the box which contains the stinky solid waste that was supposed to be tested by the doctor. This friend gives the box to a dangerous man who was expecting to see diamonds in the box, but he gets that solid waste. In this way, a meme was born. Imagine watching that scene while eating popcorn. Though this black comedy was liked by the youngsters, it also normalized the use of abusive language and disgusting comedy associated to and in Hindi cinema. Number 4. Trapped. It's a Hindi survival thriller directed by Vikramaditya Motwane. It's remembered for actor Rajkumar Rao's splendid performance and has a separate fan base. It's about a young man who gets trapped in an apartment without food and water. He gets locked inside without electricity, and to survive, he takes desperate measures. To save himself from starvation, he does the unthinkable, and that's the point where the film becomes hard to watch. Number 3. Kadalan. A Tamil action thriller directed by one of my favorite filmmakers, S. Shankar. The story revolves around a young college student, Prabhu, who is in love with minister's daughter. The minister gets Prabhu jailed for being a lover of his daughter. Once Prabhu goes inside jail, the filthy surrounding and the food served to him will make you puke everything you have eaten. Number 2. Onion. Again a Tamil film in this list, directed by S. Shankar. It's a psychological thriller that will be remembered in Indian cinema for introducing a unique concept of blending a psychological drama with vigilante action thriller. The protagonist, who suffers from multiple personality disorder, hates corruption and dishonesty. He is a lawyer who always tries to help the innocent and poor people, but fails to bring a change. This affects Ambi in such a way that he becomes an angry, infallible and badass superhero Onion, who punishes the wrongdoers according to Garud Puran, a book in which different kinds of punishments are mentioned for sinners. These gruesome methods and the environments in which Onion faces the wrongdoers are enough to give nightmare to the faint of heart. And yes, you can't enjoy your food when these scenes of torture and violence are shown. Number 1. I. Again, it's a Tamil thriller directed by S. Shankar. In this romantic thriller, the story revolves around Lingeshan, who's a bodybuilder. Long story short, Lingeshan falls in love with a model named Diya, who brings Lingeshan to the limelight of advertisement and entertainment industry. The envious people conspire against Lingeshan and target his looks to spoil his career. They play really dirty, due to which Lingeshan ages quickly. He loses his teeth and hair. Ultimately, his skin becomes very horrible with indescribable bubbly zits, pimples or rashes, or I don't know what to say. Lingeshan ends up as a frail, old and ugly hunchback with shattered dreams. At this point, it's unwatchable without feeling disgusted, but the worst is yet to come, because the ugly and weak protagonist goes on a mission to get revenge. He punishes those who wronged him by making them ugly in different ways that are more horrible. You will feel uncomfortable. Bottom line, if you love to munch while watching a movie, then brace yourself for something very disturbing that will force you to leave your eatables. So that was the list, guys. If you know the name of any Indian film that deserves a special place in the list, then write it down in the comment section. It's time for begging, call to action. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.